Hello friends, welcome to my channel. I just got this expert sprinkler for my backyard. It says 85 feet it can cover. Maybe it's a radius, so I can think it's like not the radius, the diameter. So I can think the radius will be 42 feet around. So this is only 10 bucks in Walmart, and I think I have few others, like I have few other sprinkler, so I need more to cover the whole area. If you see, I have whole this much area that need to be covered, so I am gonna put one extra. I already have one here, as you can see. I already have one here, Orbit. I have a video on that, how Orbit works. So this is working fine, but I want to add one more, and I want to try different types so that I'll get an idea which one is good. So let me just install this one and see how much area it covers. So connection is super easy. You just, and they have the washer here. They already provided one washer. If you don't find it, just get one washer from Home Depot. So washer is required, otherwise it will leak. And you can connect extra using this one. If you want to connect more in series, so you can use that. So right now I'm gonna close it, and you can see, take out this one and put this one here. Let me turn on the water. So let me see and turn on the water. Some water from the pipe is already coming out, you can see. So let me turn on the water first. So I am turning on the water. I have this splitter. I have another video on this splitter, you can check it out. So as soon as I just turned on, and you can see it started watering. Let me change the direction and show you how you can change the direction. The direction you can change through this, and you can adjust. I don't want to get wet. So you can see it's actually covering a lot of area. It's actually covering a lot of area. You can see how much it is covering. It is going too far. So this is good, but it doesn't have too many settings. That's the only thing. It doesn't have too many settings. It has only one settings. How much, whatever it covers. So it doesn't have too much settings that you need to consider, and that's how it works. Friends, this is a comparison. See, I turned this one, I turned both, this one and that one. It's both are parallel running. Both are running parallelly, and the range this one is covering is very higher, the Orbit one, than the Export. So both are in parallel right now. You can see, let it come close and let me go there. So you can see how much both are covering. So you can see that. So that has little less coverage, but it's okay. I think it is okay because it's only $10, but it is fine. Not bad, it's good. So that's all about this video, friends. Let me know how do you like this video, and if you have any thought or any suggestion, please put it in the comment box, and please like, share and subscribe to my channel. Thank you.